Hi everyone, today we are making Mezcal Negroni. It's a variation of the classical Negroni, replacing the gin with mezcal. It's a really simple and easy to make drink, so let's not waste more time and start with it. You can make the drink in a mixing glass, something like that, or put everything directly into your glass of choice. For today I decided to make it directly in the glass. I'm using a double old-fashioned glass. To that we're gonna add 1 ounce or 30 ml of Campari. It's our bitter component. Many people doesn't like Negronis too much, it's exclusively due to the addition of Campari, since the bitterness could be overpowering. To that we're gonna add the same amount of 30 ml or 1 ounce of sweet vermouth. And last but not least, 1 ounce of mezcal. I'm using Montelobos Espadin mezcal. I really like the Montelobos products. It's a bit pricey, but as most mezcals are. And it's the same amount of 30 ml or 1 ounce. We're gonna add plenty of ice to our drink. And we're gonna give it a stir. Okay, and to decorate, you can use orange peel, but one of the recipes I saw calls for orange wheel, so that is what we're gonna do. And that is how we make the Mezcal Negroni. Let's give it a try. Wow, that's interesting. The first thing I notice is the smokiness from the mezcal. Like once you smell the drink, it's what hits you. And the flavor is extremely interesting. It's kind of medicinal in a way, but yeah, you have definitely the strong bitterness from the Campari, but it's combined in a very nice way with the smokiness from the mezcal. So it's at least for me, it's a unique drink, and it's difficult to say which component is more dominant, because yes, I feel on the palate a lot of the bitterness as an aftertaste, but the smokiness remains strong as well. So it's kind of a double wow drink. I assume if you don't like Campari, you can replace it with Aperol and see how it works for you. Probably I should make a video comparing both and see which one I like more. But I definitely recommend this drink, and if you like Campari and mezcal, it's a must try. So anyway, thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye bye everyone.